Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to the native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic, I'm searching. How to say I'm searching in Arabic language. And before we start this lesson, guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'd be really grateful because this really helps me. And as we usually do, we take an example first. I'm searching for a job. I'm searching for a job. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say أبحث عن وظيفة. أبحث عن وظيفة. I'm searching for a job. أبحث عن وظيفة. I'm searching for a job. أبحث عن وظيفة. So I'm searching means أبحث عن. أبحث عن. And after it you add a noun, the thing that you are searching about. You add اسم, a noun. Okay? So أبحث عن. So for example, I'm searching for my husband. I'm searching for my husband. So first we add أبحث عن. أبحث عن. And then my husband زوجي. أبحث عن زوجي. I'm searching for my husband. Or I'm searching for my keys. I'm searching for my keys. So first we add أبحث عن. أبحث عن. And my keys مفاتيحي. أبحث عن مفاتيحي. I'm searching for my keys. أبحث عن مفاتيحي. Okay. Or I'm searching for that novel. I'm searching for that novel. أبحث عن. أبحث عن. We add first أبحث عن تلك الرواية. أبحث عن تلك الرواية. I'm searching for that novel. Okay. So أبحث عن means I'm searching, and after it you add اسم, a noun. Okay. أبحث عن زوجي. أبحث عن مفاتيحي. أبحث عن تلك الرواية. Or also you say أبحث عن شقة. I'm searching for an apartment. Okay. Or I'm searching for a house. أبحث عن بيت. Or I'm searching for this address. أبحث عن هذا العنوان. Okay. I hope this lesson is useful for you guys, inshallah. Please, if you have any question, write in the comment and I will reply you. Also, again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And don't forget also to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.